Hello students, welcome to VH Chemistry YouTube channel. In this session we are going to discuss about packing efficiency of face-centered cubic lattice. So the label diagram is like this. One of the unit cell you have to draw here and name as A, B, C. In the face-centered cubic arrangement, three spheres on the same face are in contact with each other. Okay, so one sphere here like this and another sphere in the center of the face and another atom is present in the corner. Okay, A, B, C. So consider AC, consider ABC, triangle ABC. Consider A, B, C, and here Pythagoras theorem, according to Pythagoras theorem we have to find out here AC square. Okay, AC, this is face diagonal, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB and BC both are same because it is face centered cubic lattice. All the edges are same because it is cubic. A square plus A square. So here AC is equals to AC square is equals to 2A square and AC is equals to root 2A. Okay, so here this is root 2A, distance is root 2A. Next, AC is a face diagonal. AC is considered as face diagonal, that is equation 1. Next, we know that face diagonal, that is 4R. Here this face diagonal is also 4R because the radius is R and here 2R, radius 2 times the radius of the this one sphere, and here R. Okay, so how much is the body diagonal or face diagonal here? 4R. Three spheres, they touch each other along their edges, so that the face diagonal is 4R. We know that the face diagonal is, or body diagonal, here it is body diagonal, here it is face diagonal. The face diagonal is that is 4R. Consider this one as equation 2. Next, if radius of one sphere, if radius of one sphere from equation 1 and 2, root 2A is equals to 4R. Equate equation 1 and 2, so we get root 2A is equals to 4R. Then radius R is equals to root 2A divided by 4. What about edge length? We should find out edge length here. R is equals to, then continue this, R is equals to root 2A divided by 4. We should assume that 4 like this, 2 root 2. Okay, 2 root 2 square, for 4 2 root 2 square is taken, so here square and root 2 get cancelled and remaining is 4. Okay, 2 and 2, that is 4. So 4 we should write like this. then r is equals to here root 2, 1 root 2 and 1 root 2 is cancelled here. And what about radius? A divided by 2 root 2, a divided by 2 root 2. Okay, then what about a, edge length? So that edge length a is equals to 2 root 2 r. This is what about edge length, 2 root 2 into r. A is a edge length. So now we got edge length. So then packing efficiency of face centered cubic lattice. Packing efficiency of face centered cubic lattice. So before going to this, number of particle per unit cell of a face centered cubic lattice. Number of particle per unit cell of face centered cubic lattice, that is equals to Z for FCC, that is 4. Z for FCC, that is 4. So then we can calculate packing efficiency of a face centered cubic lattice. Substitute the values. Packing efficiency is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by a cube, that is 2 root 2 into r whole cube, into the particle per unit cell, that is 4 for FCC, into 100. Okay, according to this equation we should simplify this one. Packing efficiency of face centered cubic lattice, here 4 by 3 pi r cube into 4, here 2 root 2 r whole cube, 2 root 2 r whole cube, here root 2 cube, we should find 2 cube is 8, and root 2 whole cube, we should find root 2 and root 2. Root 2, that is root 2 square into root 2. This one is cancelled, that is 2 root 2. Okay, 2 root 2. 8 into 2 root 2 into 100. This is the equation, and we should continue this equation. Packing efficiency is equals to 4 pi r cube divided by 3 into 8 into 2 root 2 into here into 4 into 100. This is equals to, completely we should simplify, 4 into 4, that is 16 pi r cube, here r cube is there. Okay, r cube is there, so 16 pi divided by 24 into 2, that is 48, 3 8s are 24, 24 2s are 48, root 2 into r cube into 100. Okay, this is the simplification. Here r cube and r cube get cancelled, and remaining 16 pi divided by 48. 16 ones are 16 threes are. Okay, here pi divided by 3 root 2 into 100. So after simplification, the packing efficiency of face centered cubic lattice, it is 74.0 percentage. 74.0 percentage. Okay, so this is the packing efficiency of face centered cubic lattice. And what is the vacant space? Vacant space present in the face centered cubic lattice, that is 100 minus 74.0 percentage. So this is equals to 26. So remaining is 26 percentage of the vacant space present in the face centered cubic lattice. So this is what about face centered cubic lattice. 74% of the particles, they are filled in the unit cell, in the face centered cubic unit cell, that is packing efficiency. And vacant space present in the cubic lattice, face centered cubic lattice, that is 26%. So thank you for watching. Share the video and subscribe the channel. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box, and we can clear the doubts. Thank you.